Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're one of my day ones, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be redoing this desk that I picked up at the Goodwill store, and I got this for $15. Yes, let me emphasize, $15. And I am so psyched to remodel this desk, and I thought I would just share with you guys. So just stay tuned while I take this desk from 0 to 100 real quick. Okay, alright, let's get into this video. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm about to sand the table, which is a good thing to do. But before you sand the table down, make sure that you clean it thoroughly. Make sure that all the dirt and grime is off the table. And by sanding the table, it gives you a more smoother finish, and the paint tends to adhere to it more seamlessly, so I've heard. So it's best to sand the table properly. Alright, so the spray painting I'm going to be using is the Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover Paint and Primer in the Satin Blossom White. And I picked up 2 cans of these from Walmart. They cost me around like $3.50 if I'm not mistaken. And I just coated the desk like twice. I did 2 coats. So I sprayed it the first time, and then I let it sit and dry, and then I sprayed it again, and then it sit and dry. So that's what I'm demonstrating right here. Look at that precision. I'm so good. Yeah, please wear a mask when you're doing this, y'all. Please wear a mask. I was coughing up a lot. Okay? Okay guys, as you can see here, this is what the desk looks like with 2 coats of spray paint, and it's coming along pretty well. And as you can see at the bottom, I actually spray painted the knob for the drawer rose gold color, because that's the look I'm going for. But yeah, it's coming along. Okay, so this is the part where I have a little mishap. So as you can see, there's blue tape on the inner parts of the desk. This is because I wanted to highlight those little thin areas in rose gold. That's the look I'm going for. But I didn't think that part through because I didn't put enough tape. And then I noticed that, yeah, the paint is going to get on the white areas, which I was like, oh, don't. But eventually I just put some more tape on, spray painted it, and let it dry. So yeah. Alrighty, so now that our desk is dry, I'm going to be using my peel and stick laminate contact paper, which I picked up at LUVS. I will put the prices in the description if you guys like. But yeah, I'm just gonna lay this out, and I'm going to measure it accordingly to the desk. Then I'm just gonna peel the little piece off, because it's a sticky piece of paper. I'm gonna peel that off and just put it on the desk. It's self-explanatory. It's pretty easy to do. Just make sure that you have something flat to get the air bubbles out, because you don't want to mess it up and the desk is going to look all janky. You don't want that. As you can see here, your girl is struggling. Pray for me. I was tired, but eventually I got it. And I just went on ahead and stick it on. So yeah. Alright guys, what do y'all think? Let me know. Comment below. Let me know, how did I do? Would you believe I paid $15 for this desk? Yes, I did. And I added a few pieces on here. Yeah, I'm loving it. yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe to the channel. Show you guys some love. I guess I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye guys.